Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Production.
People talking like I lost it, but I been on my boss shit. Running on the track, not exhausted. Touching good around here, y'all slip. No suitcases, but y'all tripping. Cause I've been the strip club, booty gripping, middle finger flipping. To all my haters, I'm chasing dreams now, why wait later? Investigators collecting data, praying on my downfall. Applying pressure, I need respirators. I'm the dog that hound y'all. Y'all got envy, no breakfast club. I'm about to show you what reckless does. Freckle face, I connect the dots. Digging your own grave, I see the plot. Underground like a subway. Bass knocking, that's a subway. In the hood, crime does pay. Go listen to what the clubs say. I got my own voice, listen to it. You trying to tell me how to do it? I was born with this pen fluid, so naturally my walk got a link to it. Chew my gift like a gun, so I don't need no cap. I represent where I'm from, so I don't need no rap. I don't need no dab. I already know I'm the shit. Your favorite rapper is whack. You already know they need to quit. I'm not a gangster, I'm not a hustler. I'm not a goody two shoes, not a buster. I'm not only trying to rap, not only trying to sing. I wanna do it all, wanna do everything. I'ma be me. I'ma be me. I like Jordans and Air Max. Ladies got hair to their back. I like chicks that love to work, take care of the kids and go to work. People say I ain't hood enough. Church say I ain't good enough. Turn the virgin ear to it all. I don't even really give a fuck. I wish my family could live it up. I hope my brother ain't giving up. Mama died, now living's tough. Working hard, but it ain't enough. Rent's due and my job's whack. Now I'm in the lab making tracks. Y'all fabricate while I'm spitting facts. What you call beef, I call it snacks. Look in the window, opportunity, trying to hit the ground running while staying low key. People keep popping up like they know me. Before I got on, how much love did you show me? I'm a bloodhound on the money trail. Trying to catch the cent, $1 a cent. I need to repent for being a lover of money, a victim of flesh. Small waist, thick ass, big tits and breasts.
What's going on? Just giving you a quick update because I've had to change plans on what I want to do to this painting. So here we go. So just like how over here I did this, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Because I didn't like how this shit looks. I mean, it's okay, but I'm really not feeling it like that personally. So, yeah.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
When it comes to these women, I get fine acquisitions. Money make them come, but they stay cause my ambitions. In a pool of problems, all these haters steady fishing. I establish goals while they wasting time wishing. Yeah, I got flow, but my life's not down the drain. I'm not only getting it, I actually use my brain. My confidence is the crane in which I use to elevate to another level, state of consciousness. I meditate, devise a better plan than hitting the block and selling. Ask a real G, ain't no love for a felon. Cause being broken, gray bearded don't look cool. Upper class use underachievers as footstools. Climbing to the money and politicians be protecting it. While you're in the streets, your rights, they be neglecting it. Booking street smart, I'm a force to be reckoned with. I'm the underdog, but my success, I be expecting it.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
All the ladies wanna date me.
Because of my potential.